reflex angle. Okay, remaining angle, the previously like acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, these angle we were already aware of these angles, that what is acute angle, what is right angle, what is obtuse angle. We got to know about this reflex angle. The angle which is greater than 180 and less than 360 is called reflex angle. And what is complete angle?
90 degree.
No, complete angle. Complete angle.
360.
360.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so this 360 is also called complete, like one revolution, complete angle. That consists of 360 degree. Right angle is 90 degree. Okay, so we will not get confused with the right angle and the complete angle. Complete angle is 360 degree, right angle is 90 degree. Yeah, straight line angle will be of, straight line angle will be of, or straight
180 degree.
180 degree. Okay, straight line angle will be of 180 degree. So you must know this angles. Now reflex angle. Suppose I am making one of the angle over here. I am showing this angle. Let's say this is O. Okay, A, O, B. This angle I am showing as a, let's say, 75 degree. And the question is find the reflex angle of angle AOB. What will be the reflex angle?
285 degrees.
285 degrees. What you did? How you got 285?
I subtracted 360 from 75.
Exactly. Okay. Reflex of this AOB will be this angle. Let me show it to you. Just a moment. Please. Whenever we have to find the reflex of the given angle AOB, that means we are talking about this angle, the remaining angle. Okay. AOB is 75 degree. That is okay. We have to find this angle. That's called the reflex of the given angle, that is AOB. And it will be 360 degree minus this angle, that is 75 degree. And it will be, let's do the subtraction. 360 minus 75 is what, Samya?
Can you please repeat the question?
I said 360 minus 75 is what?
I'm 285.
Yes, it will be 285 degrees. So this is how we will be finding the reflex angle. Anytime if it is asking about the reflex angle, that means whatever angle you can see, the remaining angle we have to find. Okay, and how we will be getting that? From the complete angle. If you will exclude this 75 degree, that will give you the reflex angle. Now the question is, I am giving few questions which is very basic, just like this one. Please find the reflex angle for few, like what is the reflex angle? Angle of 110 degrees Next one, reflex. What is the reflex angle? Of 60 degree. Please do it quickly and then we will move to our question from the exercise.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Yeah, please tell me.
Ma'am, for the first part, the reflex angle of 110 degrees is 250 degree. And for the second part, the reflex angle for 60 degrees, 300.
Yeah, ma'am.
Everyone getting the same? Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So to find the reflex angle of 110 degree from the complete angle, from this 360 degree, we have to exclude this 110 degree. We will be having the reflex angle that is 250 degree. Okay, let's move ahead. So we were doing lines and angles here. So the next question is, we are having a straight line. The name is P O Q. Okay. Here we are having perpendicular like this. Perpendicular is there. Here 90 degree angle is there. Okay. Here R is there. And here S is there. Yeah. Let me write the information which is given in the question. It is given that angle XYZ is equals to angle X. Wait. I think I'm reading the wrong question. Yeah. The information which is given along with this question is XY and MN. This statement also is very important, that XY and MN intersect each other. Okay, the straight line XY and the straight line MN is intersecting each other. We will focus on it because we know when two lines are intersecting each other, then we are going to get the vertically opposite angle, pair of vertically opposite angles. So yeah, every time whenever we will be having question, we will focus on this statement, that which two lines are intersecting each other. From the figure, we can also get that, yeah, this is a straight line, other one is also a straight line. But in the statement also, in the questions statement also, this statement will guide you that if these two are intersecting each other, then there must be a vertically opposite angles pair. Okay, so it is written clearly over here that XY and MN intersecting at O if angle POY is given as 90 degree and A is to B is given as 2:3, then we have to find C. Which one is C? This one is C. Let me show you properly. Let me remove this. I don't know why it is happening today. Just a moment. Can you see the question? This is the
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Okay. First, read the given data properly. X, Y, MN intersecting at O. Angle POY is given. Angle POY is already given, and angle POY is already given. This is angle POY. We can see it also. A rectangular angle is shown over here. That means it is 90 degree. Okay. So if sometime in any of the question it is not mentioned, but the angle is shown like this, then we must understand that it is 90 degree. Okay, the angle is 90 degree over here. However, in this question, it is clearly written. A is to B is already given as 2 is to 3. A is to B is already given as 2 is to 3. We have to find angle C from here. Can you tell me how to do that? Anyone? How can we find angle C? First, think about it. Here it is clearly written in XY and MN intersecting. So let me overdraw XY and MN. Are we going to get anything? We have to think about all the possibility. Okay, these two are intersecting each other.
Ma'am, angle POX and angle POY are making a linear pair.
Angle POX and angle POY making a linear pair. Perfect.
And we already have the value for angle POY. So we can just transpose it into the formula. So angle POX plus 90 degrees equals to 180 degree.
Yeah, we will be getting angle POX. We will be getting angle POX from there. Then how to find C?
Ma'am, we can let A as 2x and we can let B as 3x. So angle POX would be A plus B, which is equals to 5x. And then 5x equals to 90 degree and x equals to 18. And then we could transpose the values in the place of x.
Yeah, so we will be getting A, angle B. What about angle C? X we will get, then we can find A and B. Then how we will find angle C?
By adding angle C, no, sorry, angle MOX is equal to B is equal to CX is equal to 54. And by adding angle MOX plus NOX, we will get as a linear pair. And then we can add B and C, and it will add to 180. So
Exactly.
54 plus C.
Yes, both of them are saying whatever process you are mentioning. That's perfect. Great. Okay. Yes, this is how we are supposed to do. Okay. So let me explain how exactly we can proceed over. Whenever this ratio is given, that A is to B is 2 is to 3, then we can assume that A is 2. Okay. So whenever ratio is given that A is to B is 2 is to 3, I believe I have explained that we cannot take A as a 2. We cannot take B as a 3. Just 2 and just 3, we cannot separate the ratio. It's the ratio. It's the comparison between A and B. We cannot separate them as it is. We cannot say A is 2, B is 3. This is how we are not allowed to say. Okay, when we are having a ratio. Yes, we have to multiply the same variable. Same number, same variable. Number, we are not sure which number to multiply with both of them. Then we can say that we have to multiply the same variable. A will be 2x and B will be 3x. Okay, Ratio is already given in the question. What we are doing, we are just separating them and then we are saying A is 2x and B is 3x. Clear so far? Now we understood that A is 2x, B is 3x. Now here we can apply the theorem. Which theorem? The theorem which says that if a ray is standing on a line, then sum of adjacent angle will be 180 degree, or you can also say linear pair. Okay, angle POY and POX is making linear pair with each other. POX and POY is making linear pair. Can you see it? Can you see it? POX and POY, this angle and this angle all together, this all blue angle combined together will make 180 degree, right? So we can say linear pair, or we can use the axiom also, that if a ray stands on a line, then sum of adjacent angle will be 180 degree. Okay. So angle POX plus angle POY is equals to 180 degree. We already know that angle POY is 90 degree. Angle POX, we can break it in the form of A and B. We can write angle POX is the combination of A plus B. Okay. This is how we can write 180 degree. Either you write linear pair, or you can also write if a ray stands on a line. Then sum of adjacent angle will be 180 degree. Okay, so either you write linear pair or you can also write the axiom. Now A, we have already taken the assumption as a 2x, and B, we have already taken the assumption as a 3x. So it will be 2x plus 3x plus 90 is equals to 180. Now from here, please find the value of x. Please do it. Everyone, please do it.
$18 degrees.
X, Arhan, you are saying no? 18?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Rest of the students, Shad, Shamya,
Ma'am, 18.
Anam.
Ma'am,
Everyone
18.
getting
Ma'am,
18.
18 degrees.
Okay. Heather,
Yes, ma'am, 18.
18. Okay, so we got x as a 18. We can find now A, we can find B, but is it asked in the question that find A and B? No. In the question, it is clearly written that finds angle C. So we are supposed to find angle C over. Okay, what we can do? Samya said that we can take MN is a straight line, clearly written in the question, XY and MN intersecting at O. These two straight lines are intersecting. So MN is a straight line. We can take angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Again, a linear pair. Or you can also say that you are using the axiom that on the straight line MN, listen to me carefully. On the straight line MN, there is a ray OX. Straight line MN, there is a ray OX. A ray is standing on a line. Hence, sum of adjacent angle will be 180 degree. Either write that the axiom or directly write it is both are making linear pair. Which two? Angle B and angle C are making linear pair with each other. Okay. So we can say angle MOX and angle NOY. Angle MOX and angle NOY, which is C, and this is B, both together will be 180 degree linear pair. You can write it over here. Now B, we already know that X value is 18 degree and B we have taken as an assumption as 3x. So B will be 3 into 18, that is
54.
54 degree. So B we have already found, B is 54 degree. We will be using B over here, 54, and then we will be getting C. Can you tell me what is C?
Ma'am, 126 degree.
C is 126. Check it. Everyone getting the same? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move
Yes,
ahead.
ma'am.
Now our next question is, this is P, this is Q, this is R. How was your test? Test from Euclid's geometry. Yes?
I scheduled it to Saturday.
Okay. And anyone who have given that? No? Angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. It is given that, okay? It is given that these two are same. Then what we are supposed to prove? We are supposed to prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. Okay, then prove that. Prove that this is the figure. The figure is a triangle. You can see in the figure angle P, angle QR. I have mentioned over here. ST is a straight line. Okay, it is given that angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. If anyone is still struggling with which one is PQR and which one is PRQ, please let me know. Because in future we are going to discuss quadrilateral chapter and triangle chapter, and there every time we will be using angle in this manner only. We are not going to say angle A, angle B, angle C. This is not we are going to say the angle. We are going to name the angle because there will be so many angles. And to avoid the confusion, always we will write angle in this form by using 3 alphabets. Okay, so PQR is this angle, this green one. PQR, Q is sitting in the middle. We understand that Q angle we have to represent. Now Q inside one, interior one or exterior one. So PQR is there. You just start from P. You start from P, then go to Q, then go to R. You will understand it's the interior one. Okay, PRQ. Start from P, go to R, and then end at Q. You will understand it's the interior one, interior angle R. PQR, PRQ, these two angles are mentioned over here. Okay. Now what we have to prove? Same angle PQS and angle PRT. These two we have to show that it will be same. Okay, PQS this one and PRT this one. Anyone? What will be the approach for this question?
Ma'am, angle PQS plus PQR are linear pair.
PQS and PQR are linear pair. Perfect.
We can take angle PQR as X, so angle PRQ would also be X.
Exactly. So the other one will be, we can focus over here. We can say that here I am writing. Okay. Solution or proof, whatever you say, proof. Here I am writing the proof, which says that angle PQR plus angle PQS, PQS, the sum will be 180 degree because these two are linear pair. Okay, at first only we have to assume that let's assume that, let's say angle PQR is equals to PRQ, which is given in the question, that we are assuming as a X. That we are assuming. You can take Y, you can take Z, whatever you want to take the assumption, you can take that. Now PQR will be, just a second. Yeah. PQR, we have taken the assumption it is X plus PQS. We don't know what is that, is equals to 180. So can you tell me what will be PQS, angle PQS?
180 minus X.
180 minus x. Is it making sense to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, yes, please respond. Other students,
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah, Mohammad Rafi, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanan, Parthi,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So this is how we can write angle PQS. We are not getting the value, but that doesn't mean that we won't be able to prove that both are same. Both the yellow angles are same. We won't be able to prove without even taking out the value of the yellow angles. What is yellow angle? The angle which I have represented with the yellow color marker. Okay, that angle we have to show it's same. So for that, do we need to find the value? No. Without even finding the value, we will be able to say both are same. See, this is equation number 1. Now, similarly, we will do for the other one. If this is x, this will become 180 minus x. And this is also, if this is x, this will become 180 minus x. And if both are 180 minus x, 180 minus x, that means both are same. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's
Yes, ma'am.
write it. We will write it over here that now angle PRQ plus angle P. What is the name of this yellow angle? The other one?
Angle PRT.
PRT. Okay, you must understand how to write the name of the angle this way. Is equals to 180 degree. PRQ we have taken the assumption initially, it is x plus angle PRT. Now what will be angle PRT? Angle PRT will be 180 minus x, right?
Ma'am, 180 minus angle PRQ.
Yeah, that is x, right? Now this one is 180 minus x. This one is 180 minus x. The equation number 1. So can we say angle PQS and angle PRT will be same? Angle PQS
Yes, ma'am.
will be same because both are okay. And well, hence we are done with the proof. And hence we have proved that. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let me analyze one thing that everyone understand writing the angle's name or not. I must draw it over here so that I can see the names also. P, Q, R, S. Okay. Okay, sequentially I am asking. Anna, if I want to write the name of this blue angle, what will be the proper name of this blue angle? Anam,
Ma'am, angle SPQ.
angle SPQ. Another name can be?
Or ma'am, either we can do it as angle QPS.
Perfect. Yes, Arhan, if we want to represent this green angle, what will be the name of this green angle?
Angle SRQ.
Or maybe
PQR. Sorry. QRS.
perfect. Bharti, if we want to write the name of this angle S, what can be the name?
Angle PRS.
PRS, Bharti?
Yes, miss.
Angle S we want to represent. S. The name of S.
PSR.
Exactly. Be careful. S must be sitting in the middle. So PSR, or it can be
RSP.
perfect. Next one, if we want to represent the red angle, the remaining one, Q, angle Q, Hanan, the name of this angle Q will be, angle Q name will be angle
PQR,
perfect.
PQR,
Otherwise,
or RQP.
perfect. Heather, this blue angle's name is
FAB.
wait, it is lagging. Can you tell me one more time?
FAB.
Heather,
Yes, ma'am.
just AB, just AB,
No, ma'am.
the name of
No.
the blue
No,
angle,
ma'am. FAB. FAB.
F A B. Be careful, Heather. Be
No,
careful.
ma'am.
F
But
A
my
B. Have I written it correctly? Whatever you said, F A B,
yes,
or otherwise
BAF.
B F. Yes, Sad. Whatever he said, is that correct?
No, ma'am.
So what will
Ma'am,
be
the angle is angle BAD.
angle BAD, or maybe?
And the angle DAB.
Yes, Heather. It will be angle BAD. Can you see it? If you will take FAB, that means you are talking about the F, from F, go to A, and then stop at B. Complete angle you are talking about. That's called FAB. This green angle is angle FAB. And if you are saying BAF, this green angle is BAF. But I am talking about the teeny tiny portion of this angle. I have not marked the complete green angle. I have just marked the blue part, and I am asking the name of the blue part. Because in triangle chapter, in quadrilateral chapter, so many angles will be there, like one line, another line, another line, like the figure will be very, like so many lines will be going from here and there, so many diagonals and all, and the angle name we will be writing it over there. So this concept must be crystal clear to everyone. The blue angle I'm talking about, the name of the green angle is FAB or maybe BAF, but the name of the blue angle, which is just teeny tiny part of the green angle, the name of that will be DAB or BAD. Am I making sense to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you getting it, Heather?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you are getting it, Heather, then please tell me the name of this angle, which I have represented with Y.
AYC.
Can you please repeat?
AYB.
Why no? Why is just the angle? I want the name of this green angle. Why is not there? Why was just I was trying to represent the angle. The green
ABC.
angle name. Is it ABC? B you are writing in the middle. B we are writing in the middle. Are we trying to represent B? No. Whatever we are writing in the middle, that angle only we are trying to represent, right? Right? So we must write A in the middle. A in the middle. What will be there? What will be there at the two ends? Check it carefully. Only this much we want to represent. Which two lines are included? Can you see which two lines are included to make this green angle? Okay, I'm coming to you, Heather. First, let me ask other students also. Sarah, what will be the name of this green angle?
CAB.
Yeah, or maybe.
Or BAC.
Perfect. It will be CAB or BAC. Whenever you are seeing any angle, check it which two lines, which two sides are included. Sides are included. What are the end point of these two sides? B and C. Which angle you want to represent? A angle you want to represent. A must be sitting in the middle. Now, on the left of A, on the right of A, which on the left of A, on the right of A, which two alphabet will be there? So on the left, on the right, B and C will be there. You can write it anyway, here and there. Are you getting it, Heather? So the name will be either BAC or CAB. Getting it, Heather?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a moment here only. Black. Mohammad Rafi, can you tell me the name of this